I find it's a very nice experience to come to UPES Law School, primarily because it's an upcoming institution and is dealing with aspects of legal system which are not so common. I have seen the infrastructure of the law school, appears to be very impressive, and for the students I would just say that it's not the infrastructure per se which is going to make their future. It is one of the features, and the composite are their respected faculty members, the time they put in, the hard work they do, and that their aim of attaining certain kind of goals in life is clear to them, for which they work with utmost sincerity. Today, the law is a very wide subject. It's much wider than medicine today. The law is seen as a global subject irrespective of its domestic legislations.